Final on the record question to candidate Gonzalez. Earlier this year, your campaign was reprimanded for violating campaign ethics, and you have been on the record stating that you will not enforce Governor Michelle Lujan Grisham's public health order, claiming those orders to be unconstitutional. Given these circumstances, how can the community be sure that you will be able to uphold the laws of the state as mayor, and why should we trust you to?
So to clear the record, I didn't say they were unconstitutional. This is what I did say, is I have a constitutional duty to protect the people of Bernalillo County. That's my constitutional duty. The people of this community have been marginalized from services. There's bullets riddling their homes, their vehicles, their persons, and crime's never been higher. We have mitigated crime in Bernalillo County, and homicides have gone down. This fallacy that crime is going up across the country is a lie. It's a lie. And we can't live that lie. We have the worst homicide record, and they keep on masking that at the expense of every victim and at the safety of every citizen of Albuquerque. And that's wrong. It's unethical. It's immoral that we don't value life more than politics. I will never, ever put the people, I will always put the people first and politics second. This city and the people of this city have been deprived the services they deserve and need. We have the worst economy, we have the highest crime per capita, and we have the worst homeless problem under this administration. And if we don't change the trajectory of the leadership here now, because we're at the crossroads of total anarchy for our people, then more middle-class people are going to leave, the children are going to feel more unsafe, the families are going to continue to leave, and we're already below the bottom of the barrel and everything. This is the opportunity for us to bring people together, regardless of party, regardless of religion, regardless of belief. I can do that because I believe in the people. I have never not served one citizen of this county. I've always provided them with the services they need to protect their lives, property, and rights.
Follow-up question, candidate Gonzalez. So are you saying that you would uphold the laws as stated?
Yes, to your point, that's an administrative order that the state police have to enforce. When people are crying in dire needs for law enforcement, that's my first constitutional duty. I will continue to do it. I will never waver politically to anybody. I do not work for the mayor. I do not work for the governor. I do not work for the President of the United States. I work for the people of this community and them alone. This is the government of the people, and we need to give them back their city, and I will give it back to them.